Robert Basente.
Everybody, I just want to say thank you, of course, to PMPC Star Awards for this recognition. I want to also thank ABS-CBN and Star Cinema for giving me the opportunity to be part of this film. And of course, to our director, Peterson Vargas, my co-stars, Joshua, Julia, and the rest of the cast of Unhappy for You for making this film such a joy to shoot. Napakasaya namin shoot yung pelikula na yun, and I'm so glad to be here because of that. I also want to thank, of course, my loved ones and my family and my friends who have held my hand every time I got so anxious about a role. Gusto ko lang po sabihin na nung nagsisimula po ako mag-artista, ang pangarap ko lang po ay maging parte ng maraming pelikula. And I think that this is a sign na paunti-unti na po natutupad yung mga pangarap ko. So maraming salamat po. Good evening, everyone.